The reason we install gutter guards on a home is simply the same reason you get insurance on your home. You want to know that if you have a rogue storm, if you have a downpour, if you have just a lot of water at any time and you're not around, that your water is going to be moving where it's supposed to, away from your foundation, into the gutters and out the downspouts. So, is this foolproof for 20 years? No, absolutely not. You're going to have debris that goes on top of the gutter guards. You're going to have debris that falls on the roof. The roof will have to be cleaned. I would say it would be safe to say with a fair amount of trees that you'll have to get up here maybe once every 4 years just to get the sand out of your gutter and just kind of run a hose through. You won't have to remove these. You'll just have to rinse it out. But it's just a peace of mind that knowing that you don't have to get up on your roof 3-4 times a year. You know, you're not going to be caught having the clogged spouts or a tennis ball from your son or daughter ends up in the gutter. It's just a really good, affordable way of keeping water out of your basement.